This snowmobile dolly set feels solid and confidence-inspiring, with a high load capacity that easily supports a full-size sled without flexing or wobbling. The three-piece design with two front platforms and a rear platform makes it straightforward to position under the skis and rear track even in a cramped garage. Thick swivel casters on each dolly roll smoothly in any direction, so you can push or pull the snowmobile around tight corners or up to a wall with very little effort. V-shaped tops on the front dollies are lined with grippy rubber, which cradles the skis securely and keeps them from sliding off when you start or stop moving. Heavy steel construction with a durable coated finish holds up well to moisture, road salt, and repeated winter use without rusting quickly or looking beat up. Once the snowmobile is up on the dollies, it is much easier to tuck it into storage, work on it at a comfortable height, or reposition it by yourself, instead of needing extra hands.